So, have you ever felt like you are stuck, like you are waiting for something to change? Something has to change, like nothing is happening. Okay, maybe you think I lost my confidence and I don't know what to do next. I don't even know if I'm good enough anymore. After a gap, this all happens, this all thinking, we overthink a lot. And I can totally relate to this. Why? Because I have been in that situation. But today, I want to tell you a big secret. You know, your confidence is not gone, it is just hidden somewhere here. And I will show you how to bring that out. Okay, so let's be honest. Many of us are waiting. Waiting for what? Waiting for life to change, waiting for someone to notice us, waiting for that perfect time. But let me tell you a truth here. Hope is not a strategy. Okay, hope is not a strategy. If we keep hoping, what happens is that that hope brings a lot of frustrations. Okay, so there comes a stage number one where we think that, yeah, hope that time will fix things. Okay, then there comes a stage number two, that hope is converted into restlessness because more time is passing by, and we think that why is nothing changing. Okay, then comes a time that hope is converted into frustration. Now, maybe you think that maybe I'm not good enough. Okay. Then comes the stage where this hope is converted into anger. You think that why is life so unfair to me? And more time passes by. This whole converts into the self doubt. Maybe I should just give up. Okay, so tell me in the chat which stage are you in right now? One, two, three, four. Okay, so which stage are you in? Like stage number one, I told you that hope. Stage number two, restlessness. Stage number three, frustration. Stage number four, anger. Stage number five, that self doubt. Okay, now this happens, and this has happened to so many women, so many people who have that got a gap and they feel like things will change automatically with time. Okay, now let me tell you that there is a formula that changed my life, and it changed lives of my students also, which is called the 3P formula. So 3P is equal to power plus presence plus prosperity. Okay, number 1 P is power. Power is, that strength inside us, that power inside us. Okay, the first P is power. Now this is the most important thing. Okay, let us go back to our bachpan, when we were a kid. Okay, what when people or the relatives used to come to our house and, beta kya banoge, what do you want to be, what do you want to become? And then we used to say, uncle, we want to become a doctor. Uncle or auntie, I want to become a pilot, I want to become a Madhuri Dixit, a hair hostess, and so on. And then we grew up under we were uh, in a given environment. We started hearing a lot, and started hearing what, you are not smart enough, you are not talented enough, or maybe you are so young, maybe you are too old, maybe you are inexperienced, and things like that. And guess what? We keep hearing these little voices around us, and we believed it. Yes? But the truth is that you don't need to be the smartest person in the room to be successful. You just need to be stubborn. Stubborn to be successful. You just need to be stubborn, guys. Stubborn is very important. Okay? Step number one is identify three things you are good at. Just write it on paper. And step number two is every morning when you wake up, you say, I am capable, I am worthy, I am strong, I can do it, I can handle it, I will handle it. Okay, take that one small action every day. Okay, now let's talk about the second P. Second P is your presence. So, this is how the world sees you. So, you might have felt like you have been ignored in a meeting, you might have felt like people don't take you seriously. Okay, it happens. And let me tell you a formula again here, which is the magnetic presence formula. You know, step number one is walk in every room with a straight posture, your shoulders raised, and a smile on your face, and you just speak slowly and clearly. Okay, and the confidence is in your tone. Okay, powerful, right? So, step number three is when you already feel that confidence inside you, now it's time to build your personal brand and start posting about what you know, what is your expertise, what is your skill set, and start your career journey, guys. Okay, so if you want to be seen, type presence in the comment. Okay, now let's talk about the third P, which is the prosperity. Now let's talk about something uncomfortable, which is money. Okay, so how many of you think that making money is hard, or maybe I don't deserve to earn a lot? Hmm? You might be thinking that. That is a lie, guys, because today, in from this video onwards, after watching this video, we are going to change it, and there is a formula for that. Money mindset reset formula. Now, the rule number one is, I create value to in the universe, and the value attracts money. And okay, so we are going to create value in the universe, and the value is attracting money. Okay, now rule number two is, I respect money and money respects me. Okay, rule number three is, the more I help people, the more I will grow. Okay, so let me tell you the 30-day confidence reboot plan. Okay, I will give you a challenge, and the challenge is that, and this challenge I give to my students with whom I work with. Now, day 1 to 5, you need to write your strengths and repeat them daily. Okay, and day 6 to 10th, post one thing you learned about any new skill you have learned. Okay, on your niche, around your role. Okay, day 11 to 15, apply for 10 jobs, even if you feel unqualified. Okay, then day 16 to 20, ask for a feedback from your coach or from your mentor, or from some positive, some leadership people around you. Okay, and day 21 to 30, you need to network with 10 new people each day, from your industry, from your around the niche you are from. Okay, I will tell you one thing, guys. You have two choices right now. One choice is do nothing, keep waiting, keep hoping, and stay stuck. Number two option is you take action, that small actions, and change your mindset and restart your career. Okay? The formula here is that either path one or either path two. Okay? You can't take both the paths. So path one is stay the same where you are, where you were maybe some time back, and path two is taking action today and taking action every day. Okay, so drop I am ready in the comments if you choose to take action, and drop rise in the comment if you want my help, so that I can handhold you and give you all the best I know about career growth.